William family. I'm looking like a hot mess, but that is okay. Don't watch the hair. I've been up for a few hours now. Like right now, I just got a whole bunch of papers all over my bed. I've been doing some stuff some work behind the scenes, trying to get some stuff organized, and just dealing with some stuff that I need to get taken care of. So, and I also need to start my budget for the new month. So I'm trying to work that out as well, because I like to budget myself every month. I budget myself, see what needs to be paid, what has been paid, what hasn't been paid, what needs to be worked on, what can eliminate, if there's anything that can be eliminated. So that is something that I am here doing, but I am currently gonna get up while I started laundry and get ready. Me and the kids me and the girls are actually going to go out because I am sick and tired of having like certain amount of sheets on my bed, and I need some fresh sheets. So I'm going out to go buy some fresh sheets. I can go look at some housing stuff. So, but definitely I'm gonna take precaution as usual. So that is what the plan is. I'm almost finished. So I got myself this nice little book here. I'm the type of person, I love me some notebooks. So I have myself this notebook here where I jot down like ideas, things that come to mind, little quotes. And I also got myself this big one here, right? And I also jot down stuff, especially like when I'm making videos and stuff, plans, ideas, budgeting. Like, just I like to have a book for almost everything. And I do it as well because it keeps me organized. Just like when I'm going to the grocery store, I make a grocery list and I try to get exactly what's on the list, nothing else, nothing more. If anything, it's more like I'll cut some stuff off the list if I don't need it right away. So I got Miss Fate over here. Miss Fate over here, hotty hot with her hot nails. Yes,
what
guys.
am I doing here?
I don't know. So she decided to be a hot girl and put on nails, but then she got them extremely long.
Only the second time I got them done.
And she's struggling to, well, figure out how to do her hair with it. But it hasn't been that bad, but
I do everything else but comb my hair. Everything else.
But that's okay. This is what we're doing. Rissa's currently getting dressed, so I'm going to go get myself together and look proper on this camera. And I guess we'll be back when I'm ready and we're heading out. So we're gonna go get dressed and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out what we're also going to make for dinner. I was thinking about maybe doing some wings, maybe some barbecue wings, maybe some what is it, honey mustard, and what is it, the other honey wings, or there's like and then so there's
sour,
so there's sweet and sour, or there's spicy wings. So I think we're gonna do maybe a couple different flavor, and then we'll try it. Hubby won't eat that because he doesn't eat wings, but I will make sure, like, I gotta make him something differently on the side. So anytime I make food that he doesn't eat, I have to make him a separate meal. So it's sometimes I'm cooking 2 meals, two separate dinners, but that's okay. I guess that's the joy of having somebody that is a picky eater. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, and gotta go get the laundry folded. So we're going to go get dressed now and then get her. So Faith decides that she's not going anywhere. She's gonna stay home and clean the house.
No!
Because it's cleaning day as well. So that's what they decide to do. So it's just me and Rissa is going to head out. So yeah, me and Rissa is going to go out and get some stuff done. Faith, can you take this meat out of the bag and put some vinegar in it, in the water for me until I get back, please? And thank you. Yeah, but I gotta go. I got to go, Faith. I got to go.
Downstairs, where the sink is, where the meat is.
Listen here, stop being lazy.
And you make me walk downstairs, so I'm gonna have to walk.
Oh, please, you gotta come down here and come clean anyways.
No, I'm not gonna clean yet. It's too early.
What do you mean you're not gonna clean yet? It's too early. It's time to clean.
Like 3 o'clock.
About like 3 o'clock.
2:50.
Like now.
2:55. 2:40.
Alright, so
We're negotiating.
there's no negotiating in this. Oh, what is this doing?
2:30.
On the floor.
No, this is 13 minutes. I need to go put the oven over.
So yes, and so the kids them are going back to school September 8th.
No, we're not.
Yes, so September 8th they will be going back to school. As you see, like all my house is pretty much in darkness because the kids them don't even come down here.
Oh, you mean?
So like defeats the whole purpose now of literally having a living room. Oh, and I'm wearing hubby shirt. Yeah, I'm always wearing his shirt. The other day he's like, wait a minute, isn't that my shirt you're wearing? What are you doing in my clothes? Well, they're comfy. So I like wearing them. I like wearing them, so that is what it is.
Mommy,
I guess you guys could turn on the AC.
yeah?
The temperature has gone up.
Turn it on.
I wonder if the guys did check the mail.
I'm
No?
gonna go in your bed.
Why are you going in my bed? That's why you have your own bed, child.
I want Vampire Nerd on your big flat screen TV that I wish I had and into my computer.
Well, okay, well, I am gone. I will see you soon. Oh, yeah, and I guess we will talk about the kids them. Like I said, me and hubby decided that the kids them are not going to school, even though back to school is the 8th of September. But we decided to homeschool our kids. So they're gonna do online learning because, like, well, if I had to choose, I would rather my child be home and be homeschool where I could see them, watch them, know what's going on, as opposing to them being in school where they're amongst other people that might be positive and don't know. You see how many schools and how many universities and colleges that their kids are turning back. They have to be sending kids home, packing them because of the virus. But in these days, you have to think smart. This is not something for you to be playing with. And like I said, like when you go out, I take the proper precaution to make sure I have on the mask. You know, I have my hand sanitizer. I don't let the kids them touch anything when we're out. And we still sanitize everything that when we bring in the house, or we just leave it in the garage, spray it down, leave it there and wait. So you definitely have to be taking the proper precaution because a lot of people have been playing with this corona thing, and obviously Miss Corona ain't playing with none of us. So definitely gotta make sure that we're doing what we need to do and play our part to make sure we keep our kids safe. I know, like they're saying about the mental health and stuff like that for people and the kids them to be interacting with other kids, but it's just like even when you're at the park. Like, I don't even really like the kids them going to the park because, like I said, you're going to the park, you don't know who's infected. You're going down that slide, you're sliding. There's not somebody there that's constantly sanitizing the slide or anything that the kids them touch. And the kids are kids. They're going to be touching the slides, their nose are running, they're going to be... So I believe that this thing is probably going to pick back up. Well, the numbers are already starting to pick back up. They're starting to skyrocket. As you've seen, Canada open up back the country like in its third phase, but the numbers them have been starting to grow again. So that is the other thing, and I believe that it's flu season is coming up starting September. So you know what, the weather is getting cold. You're definitely gonna see a spike in numbers, and with these kids going back to school, trust me, the number is gonna go up even more. But I could understand where people are coming from, where they're saying people are confused, and as parents you get confused too, because one minute you have the higher heads, as they call it, they were telling you that, oh, this virus is not really affecting young people, it's only affecting the elderly because their immune system is weak. But you also have to remember that the kids' them immune system is not fully strong either, right? Because they always tell you, say once a man, twice a child. When you look at it, the younger generation and the older generation, yes, they're more at risk, but you have people that are in their late 20s, 30s, they're still getting infected. Some people are even that age are actually dying. So Corona don't know no age factor. So I guess that's where the confusion comes in, but Enough about Corona. I gotta get going. Fate, I am gone.
Mommy,
Yeah.
how many banana chips does each person get?
Why? You already had 2?
No, I had 1. Rissa had 2.
So then that's each 2s for each of you. That's it. All right, so we're heading out the garage.
Sure.
Okay. Open the garage. Oh, I actually feel like a wrap. I feel like I would eat a wrap. Oh Lord. So, well, I got to go using a different device today. Oh Lord, my camera is not with me currently. Oh, we've left the home. Just driving. Man, they're still doing so much construction on the road. You have to be detouring all over the place, but I'm almost where I need to be, so that's good. Just a short little trip outing, and then I gotta run. Then we're gonna do a quick run to the grocery store. That is pretty much it. I'm not doing too much. I always say if you could stay home, you stay home. I try not to come out. I try not to come out as much as possible if I don't have to come out. But sometimes you need an outing. You need to get out of your house, because being locked up and in this type of environment is not good for your mental health, just your mental space in general. So, and I gotta come out and do something, at least get out of the house, because sooner or later, well, not even, it's more sooner, I will be locked up for another 10 months in the house. So, just pretty much gotta do that. And it's time to mask up. Rissa, put that on. Oh no. Where did I just put my mask? Oh, no, it's right here. So it's time to mask up. Wait. Such a bad habit. Lord.
It's huge.
Yeah.
I can't breathe.
You can't breathe? Well, I guess maybe they're trying to stop your breath. Oh, one thing I noticed, guys, the worst thing is to be chewing gum. And the worst thing is to be chewing gum and have this mask on. It just feels like you are literally suffocating. Because the minty fresh gets in your eyes. Okay, so we just got back and I got a few things.
It smells like Jamaican soap.
Huh? Here. So some of these on.
It smells like Jamaican soap.
Okay, and yeah. So we just got back. Oh, those look nice. I like those. Those two golden feather things there. So I just got some new stuff, and I'm probably gonna switch around the bathroom. Yeah, I went in to get, I know, there must be a thing with us ladies. I go in to get like 2 things, and I came out with more than what I went in to get. But I think I'm going to switch around the bathroom upstairs. Bathroom, it needs a change. Oh, I'm looking for my glasses and it's on top of my head. So it needs a change. So I think that's what I'm going to do. But we're gonna head back now, and then I gotta go to the grocery store quickly. So that is where me and Rissa are going to go. I think I'm gonna probably just go back that way. So next stop, the grocery store. I know I gotta come back and I gotta get something. I seen some cute things that I wanted to get for the girls.
Mommy, I love this.
The room.
Mommy, did you see the bed sheet? The other one at the front?
Which one? The one, almost the princess looking one?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah. It's really
Yeah. So.
But I like the one with the red and like the little cute pillows at the side.
Oh, okay. So yeah. on to the next one, guys. We're at our last and final stop already. Oh my goodness. I just gonna go run in the store and grab what we're grabbing. Grab and get out. All over again. I wouldn't change a thing. Cause my struggle is my blessings. So we just reached home. We just reached home, guys. We just reached home. First I got the stuff. So we're gonna go in to go see if these kids started cleaning up the house.
After my chores.
Oh Lord. And I'm gonna start cook dinner so hubby can come home to a nice hot meal. So that is what we're doing. Got my keys. Did you get the stuff? Hold on. Oh, they're cleaning. I hear music in here. I hear music in here, so they clean. Here is stuff. They're struggling with all this stuff. Give me this. Do you have the keys?
Yeah.
Just pick that up. And bring the keys, come. Oh, yeah, whatever is garbage, just leave it out there. Okay. Got it? Yep. Alright. Wow, clean the guan, laundry I do. This is what I like to come home and see. House being clean. Clean, clean, clean. Wow. Oh, are you that up there? Where's huh? See, we didn't take long. Please. So I'm gonna change up.
Oh, mommy, look. We did this when you guys were gone.
What did you guys do?
You're probably gonna be pissed, but.
What do you mean I'm gonna be pissed? What did you do?
So, you're gonna pull Memphis down the stairs.
Really? Really? So this is some craziness that these guys are going on with when I am not here.
Whoa. You guys
Look
did
at this.
Okay. Click your thing to make it show who's going green.
No, they could see it. They could surely see what's going on.
You have all much
You see this? These are things that they used to do when they were much younger. They were like young.
That's
2
the second video.
to
We
5.
did it twice.
Not this stage. Y'all too old for that. Like really? It's supposed to be clean. So when did you guys start cleaning? You guys just started cleaning?
No.
So how come? Oh.
Because I'm doing that part.
No, it's my chore. That's my chore.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
all you have to do and wipe off that table because I wiped one off over there.
Yeah.
And you wiped off this table here?
No, Carver said that's special.
Oh. So, oh.
Oh, wow.
So they did most of your chores this year? Well, that's not bad. So it's only that and that? Well, what? This and this one? She has to do?
This and this floor. And
Those
this
two
white
table?
Yeah, those two tables.
Oh, you did the coffee table for her?
Yeah.
Oh, well.
There's
Lucky.
only like 2 plates to do.
You won't have that much to do. I got some stuff.
And I have to sweep the floor, clean the bathroom down here, sweep this kitchen floor, mop
So
it.
leave these fries out and stuff. And I got the things for the wings. So I'm home. I'm gonna start getting things together and get things cleaned up. So I guess I'll bring you all upstairs and yeah, I'm gonna start switch out. Yeah, I'm gonna switch out the bathroom finally. Upstairs, time to clean up. And look at this one, like welcome cock up in my bed instantly he comes out. So you need to get out of my bed so I can start cleaning. The bed is nice and freshly sheets, freshly changed. Oh Lord. So I am going to go finish doing what I gotta do. Probably going to go shower before I start cooking. Yeah, I probably will end up doing that. So Faith's just doing another set of laundry because she's washing sheets and stuff. And here these two fighting as usual. So that's what we're just here doing.
Fix it, box. Fix it, box.
Hello, don't break up the basket.
We're gonna take yours.
So yeah, that is what we're here doing. We're just actually having a mini discussion I like to sit and reason with my kids them and, you know, talk about life. Things that they should know. So that's what we're doing. So we came downstairs. Faith is gonna be helping me in the kitchen today. So she is getting the chicken wings done. And I got some fries here. And I got, what is these? Chicken burgers. Chicken burgers. So that's what we're doing, because Mario eats the chicken burgers, but he does not like
Regular burgers.
the wings. So he'll have chicken burgers and fries for dinner, and we're gonna have wings and fries. So I'm doing some battered and I'm doing some non-battered. So the other ones, I'm just going to actually drop those ones in, because I used my seasoning that I usually have. So they've been sitting in the seasoning, in the marinated sauce that I have. So I'm actually just putting them, some of them in the deep, about to go put them down in the deep fryer just now. I got this, and I'm gonna put it into my own little home blend that I use when I make my sauce. So we're gonna do that and then do a different flavor sauce as well. Oh, the other laundry look like it's finished.
My sheet.
I know. I said I was gonna go shower. I didn't get to go shower as yet because I was making the bed, and I finished that. And like I said, me and the kids got into a nice little conversation. We're sitting and having. Hubby just literally left work, so I'm just doing some of the. Figure by the time I at least get these wings them done.
You want me to do some more of these covered?
Yeah, if you want to do some more.
This meal's coming off. I can feel it.
So and at least when I do start frying, I could always leave the stuff and Fate will finish it. So that's always a good thing. And I already started prepping what I'm making for dinner for tomorrow. So yes, waiting, and the house is clean. Oh Lord, I love when my house is clean. It just feels so.
I deep fry more because the oil don't pop that much. I want a stove now.
And
I want to make dumpling for you, not me.
Fate likes the deep fry more
Because it don't pop.
as well, because it don't pop, because she's afraid of the oil from our oil scare.
Let's not talk about that. I don't care.
So got the homemade barbecue sauce here. We got the Thai chili, and we got the honey mustard here. So the kids them are trying out them and
We have to approve.
Arista went to go shower. So you have these two in here eating up a storm. So just store it in
I think
there.
like 2 more of these, but I have to go
Are
back.
you gonna do the fries?
No, we're gonna do all the chicken first. Memphis, put it back.
I'm trying to drag it on.
So
Remember-
I'm done.
Memphis just cheated a while ago.
So we're gonna do this. So we're doing the breaded ones them now. So the breaded ones can go in here. Faith.
Oh, I'm gonna wipe it off.
So Faith, the breaded ones when they're fried, you could do it
Who's
here.
the extra one in there for?
Hello.
Are we for me?
No, you already had one.
It's for me. Can I have it?
Rissa, one's in there for Rissa.
Oh, wait, I don't want
Leave it. Finish cooking, and this one is like just barging in. You're hiding your plate and taking all the food. So the fries them are pretty much finished.
Memphis, don't let me box it to your head. Sink in your body.
Really? What I have to deal with here?
Memphis, I'm drinking.
Over food? Really?
I don't care. It's mine. I'm not too hot with that one.
It's only
Woman! Brookie. But I something.
It's
Yes,
only
I'll get her the next one.
fry.
Rissa, it's only one fry on your plate me I take right now.
Baked.
Hey, if I ate it, you couldn't say anything.
It's like, is this mine?
Hello, why is the fridge door open?
I need to go.
Really, Faith?
Yeah. I hope you miss me. Rissa, I get to look at chicken. You are so mean. Give me this.
Hello.
No. It was here and I didn't. Look at that thing going on.
You like the pepper. You literally ate out all my pepper. Where did it all go? Burger. Your face feel about burger.
Everybody give
You
me out that food.
eat out all my pepper.
I hope you miss me.
I just finished showered and hubby just came home.
That was not yours.
So he's gone to go shower, and then we're about to eat. And probably just watch a movie till he falls asleep and watch the news. Oh my goodness. So, guys, the store. What I mean, what is sugar and juice? The juice is fine. And you guys, you must want diabetic. Do you want to catch diabetes? You don't need that much juice. No, that much sugar in the juice.
Where is the tongue?
Ew, Memphis, what is that? You're using the water? That's gross.
Mommy, I used to drink pickle water. That tastes.
Okay, so, oh my gosh, so we just heard on the news today, the same place that me and Rissa was at today, a lady got struck by a car in the parking lot and died on the scene. And so that is...
Why?
That is so crazy. Guys, we're about to eat. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend to come and join the William family, where it's always a vibes over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and we will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
Bye.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.